वादी कश्मीर में शदीद सर्दी और दर्जा हरारत में नुक्ता इंजमात से नीचे गिरने के बावजूद रंग गुलमर्ग और टंगमर्ग में सयाती सरगर्मियों में इजाफा देखा जा रहा है। सयाहों की आमद में इजाफे से होटल मालिकान, ट्रांसपोर्टर्स और मकामी ताजरों में खुशी की लहर दौड़ गई है। वहीं मकामी आबादी ने हुकूमत से दरख्वास्त की है कि सर्दियों के दौरान बिजली, पीने के पानी और ज़रूरी राशन की बिला तात्तुल फराहमी यकीनी बनाई जाए ताकि आवाम को मुश्किलात का सामना न करना पड़े।
We are here at Gulmarg to enjoy the winter, and I thought, about ठंड हो गई, but it's okay, it's manageable, and like there is snow here and there, it's not completely filled. I think it will be probably covered by the December. But we're going to Gondola to experience phase 1 and 2. Right now, I have not experienced everything so far, but so far it's nice. I mean, like it's my first time seeing the snow personally, so that's nice. Oh my God, I really like the hospitality. Like it's really great. Kashmiri people is really good. I mean, hospitable like Kashmir. So I'm staying at a homestay, and there people is like, have more. Like that's really good. I think it's just rumor, and because I have personally experienced things, and when I go to bargain things, they are so nice. And one time I went to buy this pashmina shawl, and by mistake it went it fell off, and it went into a muddy water, and the brother was like, "Koi baat nahi, chodo chodo," and I thought he will ask for me to pay because it was done by me. So I think that was really great. Kashmiri people is great according to me.